Welcome, and this is Quick Productions here, making another video about Linux. There is three big major operating systems: Windows, Mac, and Linux. Before, Linux used to be geeks only, and it was very hard to understand, but now they changed things. So, there is a lot of different ways you can use Linux. There is Linux Server, Linux. A lot of people use Linux Server, including hosting services. So there's all sorts of different Linux, and most of them are free. Most. So what we are gonna do is, I assume you already have a Linux box. You just get an old computer or whatever, and you pick something, a Linux operating system. I like Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a free Debian packages. It has a desktop edition, a netbook remix, and a server edition. And I am going to be talking about the server edition. So you have to download the server edition ISO, and right now it's at Ubuntu version 9.04 server. This is the latest edition. This recently came out. So you download that and install it on your computer, and then you're gonna download some free software, and it's called PuTTY, and that's what you're gonna use to manage it remotely through commands. And remember, Ubuntu server is a command line only. That's it. That's all. So you search in Google for PuTTY, and you download it .exe. There is a version for Mac. You just have to Google it. So download that, and you're gonna be here. So I'm gonna do it through PuTTY. Okay. Just gonna open up my server. As you can see, I already set most of everything up, and you're gonna go to your Linux box and pretend this is the box that I'm actually on. So you're gonna write in some commands. So there is a couple commands which are apt-get. It's a package manager. Install, you want to install it. So apt-get, I don't know if you can see this or not. Apt-get install SSH. For SSH, it's a type of remote connection. Open SSH and server, because it is a server application. And you press enter. Remember, you do have to. No, for this you don't have to have. You have to have it wired in with either Ethernet, mostly Ethernet. It's very hard with wireless with Ubuntu Linux. Okay, now that's done. Now you have to go /nano. It is a text editor. Nano is my favorite text editor. Nano / etc. It's a directory /network /interfaces. Yeah, there we go. And it's right here. This is it. It'll be on the same thing on every Linux box, every Ubuntu box. Now you have to. I already changed a couple of things in here because, of course, I already done this. But right here, it's going to say DHCP. You have to change it to static. You want a static IP. Then you are going to put things here. Address, your IP address. So you write in here. The .1 right here depends on your router's IP address. D-Link is set to automatically 0 here. Linksys is 1 here. but you can change it on your router. But depends on your router here. Netmask, all the same thing. All the same thing. Network, still depends right here on your router. Broadcast, and it's the same thing, but depends on your router. And gateway, of course. So you do that, and with Nano, not with the other text editors, you press Control O, and then press Enter, and Control, that's to save, and Control X to exit. Okay, now you're connected to the internet, and now you have to go, see if I can get this here. Now you have to go, slash, etc. slash innet.d slash networking restart, and you press enter. I'm not going to do it because it'll cancel the connect. 1 minute. Okay, sorry about that. So now you have to write nano etc slash host with an S right here with an S. Okay, now this will appear, and so you can go in there and open up this, and it brings up the text editor, and you can save it and do all sorts of crap on it, but don't change important stuff because it'll screw up your computer or the server, whatever. So there it is. And if you need more information about it, my email will be in the description, and you can go to my site, and it's nothing much right now because I did it on the Ubuntu server, and believe it or not, but yes, I did. And here it is. I have my videos here. I just started creating this, but it's completely free. So if you want, you can spend some money on domain name, but I'll explain that in later episodes. But I just have this for now, and so that's about it. So thanks for watching.